Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Python. Today we are going to learn about the image resizing and cropping with Pillow. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So how to resize an image? Resizing and cropping images are common tasks for image processing. Using Pillow, you can easily resize and crop an image with a few lines of code. Below are the detailed instructions and the example. First of all, resize an image. Resizing an image involves changing its dimensions to fit a specific width and the height while maintaining the or altering its aspect ratio. Right? So this is resizing part. So let me just add this code for resizing. So here we go with this one. So import from pillow, that is image, load an image. So here I need to give the image path over here. So I will add resized. Okay, then width, then resize, and where to save this path dot png. We want to save resize underscore 2 dot image, then resize image to display that one. Okay, let's save it and let's try to run, and the image is opened. Here you can see that. So this is the, you can see that the crop version resizing part. And if I want to show you the original one, this is the resized, right? So this is the resized one and this is the original one. Here you can see that, right? Okay, so this is how you can resize an image. Here you just need to pass the size and resized with the help of the image dot resize, and then save it with the help of the dot save option, and then optionally how to display that resize dot show method will help you to display the resize image, right? So this is how you can resize an image. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. In the next video we will do the cropping, right? Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.